guys, this is Rishika, and since there's a lot of fuss about coronavirus going on and we can't do much about it, we are making kheer today. What better time pass than making something delicious? So let's start with making kheer. Today we are making rice kheer. So for that we have taken 1 liter of milk, which we have put on a boil. So it will take time. Meanwhile, we'll go towards the rest of the ingredients. This is about a handful of rice, soaked, completely washed and soaked in water. Let it soak for another 15 minutes till the milk takes a boil. Next is the healthy ingredients. We have some kishmish here, almonds cut into halves like this, and some cashews again cut into halves. Put them aside. Then we have taken some sugar, of course, for kheer. For flavoring, we have got 1 bay leaf. This is a special and a different ingredient which people don't really use in kheer, but this gives a really nice taste to it. Now we have seeds of black cardamom, the bigger one, and the green cardamom here. Grind it to a fine powder. Meanwhile, keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Ensure that there's no residue on the sides. That's very important. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Okay, meanwhile it's already been 10 minutes or about, something about 10 minutes, and the rice is soaked completely. Let's strain out the water. Okay, so guys, milk has taken 1 boil already and it's on the sim right now. Time to pour in the soaked rice. Switch the flame on high again and keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Meanwhile, at the same time, you can add the bay leaf. We can take it out after a while. Oh, by the way, it's our 1-month anniversary today. So the cameraman shooting is also here. So it's come to a good boil now. It's been, I guess, 5 minutes since we are continuously stirring and scraping from the sides also. It's time to take the bay leaf out. It has already left all the flavor inside the kheer. There's another portion I just saw here. Okay. Now you guys need to check if the rice is already done or not. Let it cool a bit. Press it between your fingers and check if it's done. No, I think it will take another 2 minutes. Stir. Oh, meanwhile, we've already roasted our dry fruits in just 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just 1 teaspoon of ghee, and you just roast them on medium flame for about 2 minutes. That's it. It doesn't have to be burnt, it just has to be a little roasted. So this is already done. Meanwhile, we can add the cardamom powder, the cardamom seeds powder. Guys, I don't have Kheer right now at home, but you can add that to it. It gives a beautiful color to the kheer. And it's obviously good for health. Okay, it looks nice. Time to add sugar. Sugar guys, ये अंदाज से है. I don't have a particular proportion for this, but for me it's half katori of sugar for 1 liter of milk and a handful of rice. Let's see. Mix sugar in the mixture well. Okay, let's drop in all the dry fruits here so that they also soak, the raisins soak milk. Okay, since we roasted the dry fruits a bit, the raisin will not soak milk properly, but it will be really nice and crunchy. Since we are going to have this kheer cold, I'll put it in the fridge afterwards and we'll have a cold kheer. Everybody likes cold kheer here. Chilled. It'll be really yum. Keep stirring it for another 5 minutes and then we'll be done. It's already been around 5 to 10 minutes and खीर बहुत गाढ़ी हो चुकी है. जैसे आप देख सकते हो खीर काफी गाढ़ी हो चुकी है. हमारे चावल ड्राई फ्रूट सब अलग अलग दिखने लगा है. Time to switch off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here's our serving bowl and kheer time. This looks yum. The kheer is ready. Yummy in my tummy. Now it goes into the fridge. We've already converted the fridge. So it's not deep freezer, guys. We have converted the freezer to the fridge. You please keep it in your fridges. And then the kheer will be ready to be served.